Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So by the title of the video itself you have been able to understand that it's a different kind of a topic that I wanted to explore. All around us that green tea is something that reduces weight. I just wanted to try out if it works or not. So I will be showing you my starting weight, and I will be having green tea for 7 days, and I will be showing you the ending weight at the end on the 8th day itself. And I will be having the green tea once every day in the morning, 1 hour after the breakfast. That's what I just want to follow. And yeah, let's see if we get some results. So it's day one today, and today is the date when I'll just weigh in myself, and I can show you my starting weight. And from today we are going to start off with this green tea challenge. So let's see. So my starting weight, as you can see, is 79.8. Excuse the tan in my feet, guys. So yeah, let's get started. So the green tea that I have selected is from Organic Tattva Organic Green Tea. There's no particular reason, I just found the packet attractive and it suited my budget, and it had some 20 green tea bags. And so here I have one big cup of steaming hot water, and I have my tea bag dipped in it. And with this green tea I'll add 1/4 of a lemon in it. I'll just squeeze the lemon in it, and I think that is just going to manifold its benefits. And because already in the morning I have 1/4 of a lemon every day, at least I try to, so I think this is just going to make it better. And I really cannot have another cup of hot water mixed with lemon, so I'm just going to make it one. So as I said, I just hate green tea. I hate the taste. That is the reason why I did not pick up the usual green teas that we have around, like Lipton. I don't like the taste. It's too bitter for me. This is something that I thought will not be that bitter. Hi guys, today is day 2, and I'm not gonna weigh myself today and show you. I guess that suspense is for the last and the 7th day, so yeah, you have to wait for that. As you can see, I have already added my lemon in the cup of hot water. And yeah, for day 2 I'll just dip my tea bag in it, and let's go. Hi guys, good morning. This is day 3, and here is my steaming cup of green tea. Just wanted to tell you explicitly what I have been adding to this. I have only been adding lemon and nothing else. If you want to add honey, you can add, but please don't add sugar, because it's only going to negate all the qualities of the green tea. So yeah, let's enjoy. Hi guys, today is day 4, and here is my cup of green tea. And I would just like to tell you about the taste of this particular green tea. It's not too bitter, and that's what makes me like it, because I hate bitter green teas. Hi guys, so it's day 5 now, and today I could not really maintain my morning timing because I was extremely busy today, and that is why I'm taking it in the evening. It's 6:05, and here is my green tea. Yeah, and this is my work desk. That is my favorite plant. Hi guys, it's day 6 today. Can't believe it's like The days just flew by so fast, and this is the green tea. I have deliberately taken a transparent cup this time just to show you the color. As I was saying the last day, that the color is not, it's a bit orangish color, and not the kind of color that Lipton has, which is stark yellow, or there's a greenish tinge. This is somewhat different, is orangish, and I sort of have this sense that if the color is not of that type, it will be less bitter. I don't know if that is true, but this tea is less bitter, and that is why it is, I can stay with it, I can live with it. Otherwise it would have been really difficult for me. Yeah, so I'll just enjoy my cup of green tea. Hi all, so it's the last day, day 7. Can't believe it's already 7 days. So yeah, here is my green tea, and tomorrow we'll see the results. Hi all, so it's the 8th day and the final weigh-in day, so let's see. Okay, so my ending weight is 78.1 and the starting was 79.8, so you can clearly see there's a difference. So as you saw, that was quite impressive. I think I lost 1.7 kilos in a week, so that is around 3.7 pounds. But alongside that, I just wanted to give you some extra information as to what I ate in those 7 days, what kind of exercises I did, and what is my usual schedule, so that you will be able to make an informed decision about whether it was actually green tea which helped me lose weight. There cannot be any food in this whole world which can actually make you lose weight. There can be some food which are extreme low calories and which can increase your metabolism and which can facilitate the weight loss. So green tea will work as a facilitator for weight loss in case you're doing something substantial to lose weight. So if, say for example, you're doing walking for every day to lose weight, green tea will be acting as an enabler for you to lose more weight if you had done the same walking without having green tea every day. So green tea does by giving you more energy. That's just 1 cup of green tea. So I never, it's not a magic, and I never expected it will be something very big. So do I do extreme hard exercise every day? No. I work out for around 30 minutes every day, 30 to 40 minutes on a daily basis, and in these 7 days I think I did my workout for just 4 days. All the days it wasn't possible for me, and it wasn't too hard. It was just normal freehand exercise that I did. But I do eat my dinner at 8 p.m. every day, and after that I do not eat anything. Only liquids are something that I take, but so that is something I follow. And I also do not take either roti or rice in dinner. I only eat veggies in dinner. Okay, and the rest of the day I have normal meals. I think 1.7 kg was impressive, and some other things that happened other than the weight loss, which are things that usually YouTubers will not talk about, because it is not very glamorous to talk about this topic. So the topic is your gut health. So I completely believe, and I 100% know for sure, your hair health, your skin health, everything is related to your gut health. Made my gut really healthy, which basically means in these 7 days I did not have any indigestion, any acidity, any difficulty in digesting food. I felt much more energetic, which is also something which we all crave for. Many of us do get up from sleep and we still keep on feeling tired, but this was not like that. and I really like the green tea that I had. So yeah, that was all about my video. Let me know if you want me to take up any other challenges like this, because I am on a weight loss journey, and I want to hit a certain weight, which is around 70 kgs, and you have seen my current weight. So yeah, let's do it together. Let me know if you want me to do any other challenges. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Comment down below about what you think about this challenge, and let me know your suggestions and feedback. Bye bye.